Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you through using Cricut Design Space on your iPhone. Before we begin, ensure you've downloaded the Cricut Design Space app and completed the sign up and sign in process. Once you're ready, let's dive in. First up, let's explore the home screen and its features. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen. This is the central hub for all design activities. The home screen features two main navigation areas, a top navigation bar and a bottom navigation bar. Please note that the Home tab will be unavailable without an internet connection. Now, let's look at the top navigation bar, which provides access to essential features such as menu, notifications, help, and canvas. To open the Design Space menu, tap on the three horizontal lines in the corner. A side menu will appear, displaying options such as Profile, Machine Selection, Machine Setup, Cricut Access, Settings, About, and Sign Out. When you need to set up a new machine, simply select the Machine Setup option. The notification bell keeps you updated on projects likes and shows new projects from creators you follow. If you need any assistance or resources, the help icon connects you to various support materials. Finally, the canvas option takes you to a blank workspace where your creative projects come to life. The bottom navigation bar includes Home, Cricut Access, New Project, My Stuff, More, Heat Guide, and Shop. For now, let's only focus on the New Project option, which looks like a plus icon. This option opens a new canvas for your designs. We'll explore this further in the next section. Now, let's create our first Cricut project. To add something on the canvas, you need to tap on the plus icon. Now, an Add menu will pop up. From here, you can insert images, shapes, texts, templates, or upload your own designs. When adding images, you can either upload your own files or browse Cricut's intensive library, which offers both free and premium options. Time to edit and personalize our design. Once you've added elements, it's time to customize. Simply tap on any shape, text, or image you've placed on the canvas. A toolbar of editing options will appear, allowing you to resize by pinching and zooming, rotate, change colors, duplicate items, and more. Let's select the material settings. When your design looks perfect, prepare it for cutting by tapping on Make It in the top right corner. You'll be taken to a preview screen. If you're working with vinyl, toggle the mirror option on, otherwise leave it off. Next, choose your material from the list and Design Space will automatically configure the optimal settings for your project. Finally, load the material and start cutting. Place your material on the cutting mat, then insert the mat into your Cricut machine. Once everything looks properly loaded, press the flashing Go button on your machine to start the cutting process. Once cutting is complete, carefully unload the mat and remove any excess material. Congratulations, you've successfully created something amazing using Cricut Design Space on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.